Watch Live fans, David Fine and Lorenzo here. What's up, little buddy? He's not so little anymore, guys. Dude's grown up. But we are about to test out for the first time our new polling platform on our J16 Carolina Skiff. Lorenzo's been waiting for this thing for a while. It's been a good emotional ride since our transom messed up. And while we were redoing the transom, we figured we'll redo a platform back here, a rear deck. And we got a polling platform, and it looks really, really sexy. I gotta be honest, I really like how it looks. Yeah, but good. It does look good, right? It does look good. It makes the boat just look like a skiff. Yeah. That's what they're supposed to have. But Lorenzo is dying to get up on that thing and try and throw his cast net. So guys, let's see how this does. Now, I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. All right, so we've got a lot of additional weight now on the back of the boat. We created this big rear deck here with fiberglass. That's extra weight.
But that's not a lot, though. It's fiberglass.
Well, that whole thing probably 35 pounds for that piece. It's not too bad. Then we redid our transom. We made it double thick, and it made it really, really, really tough. Very solid transom, but it probably added a little weight to the boat. But we also added the weight of this aluminum frame and then a fiberglass piece on the top, probably another 35 pounds. Now, both of us are on the back of the boat. How much do you weigh, son?
I weigh 140.
140?
Yeah.
I'm 220-ish. And so that combined weight is what, math guy?
I'm not doing that.
You're not doing math? All right.
Like
360.
360.
Yeah, so we got about 360 pounds in the back of the boat. How many inches is the water from the transom there, buddy? When we're both in the back of the boat?
I think it's 6 inches.
It's 6 inches.
Maybe almost.
All right, so now here's what we're gonna do. Both of us on this side. Come on, no, come over here. So this is the kind of thing we gotta watch for. Yeah. Now, how many inches is the water from? 1 inch? Yeah.
So we can't really
We gotta be careful, a little bit more careful now, don't we?
Yeah.
All right, so we're not doing this out in the ocean when it's 1 to 2. That's for sure. We got to be careful with weight distribution. All right, now hold on a sec. Let me get to the front of the boat. Now tell me how many inches is the water from the transom?
Oh, that's a good.
It's a big difference, isn't it?
Almost 10 inches.
Almost 10 inches.
Yeah.
Bud, gotta go on a diet. All right, here we go, guys. So, Lorenzo, are you ready to jump up on your polling platform for the very first time?
Very ready. I'm very ready.
Very ready.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's see how he does.
So we're just gonna go.
We're gonna jump right up.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Dang, bro.
How many inches do I got right there? It's a good what?
All right, well.
3 inches.
Well, first of all, before we start testing that stuff, how does it feel to you?
Okay, so first of all, you just gotta really stay in the middle. If you're in the middle, you're fine.
So if you're in the middle of the rear of the polling platform, you're doing good.
If you're in the middle, this is like when I'm getting over here. I mean, it's still
What?
fairly stable, but like, you know, you could tell that you're tilting.
Yeah, you're rocking the boat, and so even if I do this.
So you just have to be smart about it.
Yeah.
You know?
So even the deck back here now. Let me come back a little bit.
I stop rocking?
Yep. He's like, Dad, stop rocking. All right, so I'm going to come all the way to the back here. And I'm going to film. Oh. Yeah, so.
Yeah, well, I'm leaning all the way to the side.
Here's what we can't do. We can't have me on this back corner and Lorenzo on top of there at the same time. Right?
Yeah, there will hardly be situations that we would need to do that.
Right. What do you think, buddy?
I think
Does it feel stable?
I think I can throw a pretty good pancake on.
Do you want to try?
I will try. Yeah,
but
if we're gonna be doing that stuff, I think like the bigger person has to be on the bow.
Oh yeah, well we'll do that. I'll film from the bow. Yeah. All right, let's get the cast net out, guys.
Why don't we get in the middle first? So
we'll get in the middle. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and.
I'm gonna sit down.
It's a good idea. So I'm gonna reverse. We're both on the back. That's probably not the best thing to do.
They're not that bad though.
Yeah, but the exhaust was almost touching the water, so we gotta be careful. All right.
You just gotta be smart with it.
Yeah, I don't think this platform was built for a J16, guys. This is a huge platform.
Massive.
But we are selfish, and we want a polling platform, one big enough where my boy can throw a cast net. So, guys, we're out in the middle of the canal now. Lorenzo's gonna throw his cast net. You ready?
I am so ready.
All right, jump up there. All right, buddy. There's your cast net.
Oh, that's light, man. Oh, we've been in the weight room. It's light now.
Somebody's been in the weight room.
Yeah.
Lorenzo's been hitting the weights. It's
Okay,
baseball
so
season.
We're gonna be doing start to finish. So unboxing.
All right, buddy boy.
Let's see.
Let's see how we got. If you, I can tell it already feels nice with you throwing the net from up there. It looks very.
It's not bad. This is especially with you up on the bow. This is actually like.
It's pretty comfortable.
I did not think it would be this comfortable, but so yeah. If you want to learn how to throw a cast net, go to our how-to video.
Lorenzo's got a pretty popular how-to cast netting video, doesn't he?
And, we throw pancakes here, guys.
Yeah, he's the pancake master.
We throw pancakes here. So.
Well, how'd that feel, son?
Dude, I feel like I can do that all day.
Can do that all day?
Yeah.
Do me a favor. Try and toss it at a distance. Like if you're trying to throw at mullet, they're running from you.
All right.
Throw it for a distance.
It might not be as much of a pancake, but.
Well, that's what you got to work on. We only throw pancakes at Watch Your Lip, guys.
Only throw pancakes. Okay.
Only pancakes at Watch Your Lip.
C-deck is nice.
C-deck is beautiful. Oh, that gives you the grip.
Gives me the grip.
Let's go.
Grip to throw pancakes. Oh yeah, we got range now.
Okay, we got range.
And that was a pancake too.
And it was a pancake. Good job, buddy boy. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I've been a little bit anxious about this moment. I've envisioned myself trying to get up there and just
eating it,
just like the whole boat.
Yes.
Toppling over. And
toppling over. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm a little anxious, so I'm gonna get up there for the very first time in the water, guys. Here we go.
So with that back there, we still got not too bad. I'm gonna have to go on the opposite side of the boat of where he is.
Yep. Ready?
Let's go. I'm ready. You got this? Be athletic, Dad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh yeah, baby.
Look at that.
King of the world, baby.
Let's see. You're pretty stable up there, huh?
Yeah, man.
That's not even that bad.
It's not that bad at all.
Okay.
Now,
this is the thing. Like, I was staying all the way at the back. Let's just walk past here a little bit. I'm gonna
don't push it.
be ready to jump back. Okay, it's not even that bad.
It's not too bad.
No.
I can actually stand up here, guys. I think I might even be able to use a pole, the pole, and push somebody along.
And from the keys?
Yeah, man. Go out in the flats.
Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude. Let's go. So, should I try and throw a cast net? That's the thing.
Let's do it. Here, I'm gonna give you it. You know what?
Yep. Just give me that. There we go. That's all I need.
Yeah, guys. Priscilla's ready to catch some freaking
We're ready
fish.
to catch some fish, guys. Here we go. I'm just imagining there's mullet right there.
Oh, they're dead.
They're dead.
They're dead.
Friggin' toast, dude.
I see him.
Woo, got some range, baby.
Can't really like move your feet for momentum, but
No, you don't. All right, guys. Good thing we reinstalled our plug, made it, reinforced it a little bit, and guys, the Minn Kota autopilot is back in business, guys. Check this out.
Dude. Oh, we're catching mullet. The mullet might as well be dead right now.
Yeah, we're moving, guys. It's a beautiful trolling motor. Re-engaged. This is beautiful. Love the Minn Kota power drive trolling motor, guys. This thing is a game changer, okay? So now, one more thing I want to check. It's not at night, so we can't do the lights, but I do want to check our GPS. I'm going to turn that on. Okay. We're powered on. Just want to make sure. It's been a year and a half since we used this thing. And try and put the transducer down. It's saying it's 42 feet deep real quick. That's more like it.
Oh,
15.
that's
Huh?
not,
What's up?
we need to give this a little bit more line.
Is it too tight?
Yeah, it's not going all the way down.
Really? Okay. Well, at least it's. Yeah, we need
What
to.
does it say right there?
It says 15 feet.
That's probably about right.
That's about right, but we gotta take a look at that. Okay, dude. Lorenzo, here we go, guys. Heck yeah! All right, boys. Lorenzo enjoyed his polling platform. Lorenzo, you ready to go catch some fish?
I'm so ready. It's been too long, guys.
Yeah, it's been a year and a half, guys, and now the polling platform is ready. The skiff is actually looking more and more like a sexy little skiff.
Yeah.
Can't wait to take it out. It's been way too long. Lorenzo, thanks so much for your patience, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Love you.
Love you too, man.
This boat is for you, man. Let's go catch some fish with it.
This is gonna kill a lot of fish.
You're gonna kill a lot of fish. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and like, subscribe, and share, guys. Till next time.
Watch your lip.
Watch your lip. From the top of the polling platform. Let's go. Heck yeah, bro. How's that feel, son? You like that, huh? Hey, look over here and smile.